Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, so let's get started. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is how I make my Parmesan chicken. It's simple and easy, so let's get started. I have 2 chicken breasts that I flattened, and then I'll salt and pepper each side. So now I'll flip this one over. I'll salt and pepper this side. I have my oven on 350. Now I'll place this in my casserole dish. I'll place some Parmesan cheese on top. Let it get nice and brown and crusty. Now I'll do the same to the other chicken breast. I'll salt and pepper. Flip it over. Salt and pepper this side. Place it in my casserole dish. And put Parmesan cheese on top of this chicken breast. So now I'll put some aluminum foil on top. Place it in my 350-degree oven. I'll cook it for an hour and then check on it and see how nice and golden brown the top's gotten. You want to make sure that the chicken is fully cooked. It's about 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese that I used for both chicken breasts. Now I'll place the foil on top. And into the oven it goes. It's been about 1/2 hour, so I want to check on my Parmesan chicken. Oh yeah, that looks good. I can really smell it. It smells good. You can see how the cheese all melted on top of the chicken. I still see the pepper on here. So what I'm going to do now is place this back into my oven for another 1/2 hour, and then my chicken is done. My Parmesan chicken is ready to come out of the oven. Really smells good. Now doesn't that look good? So now I'll place the chicken on my plate. So now that I have my chicken on my plate, I'll give it a little bit of salt, just a little bit more black pepper, now I'll give it a try. So now I'll give it a try. Take a little piece. That's good. Deserves a second bite. This is quick and easy to make too. Enjoy. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watch me make my simple and easy Parmesan chicken. Give it a try. It's really good. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.